July 4th, 2024. Kelly and I are going on a road trip. And first of all, we need to take these two to Pet's Hotel, as we're going to board them so we don't have to deal with those kids. And then our kids are going to be left at home so we don't have to deal with them either. So hopefully we'll get some good footage, and this will be a good video. Alright, see you guys. And I apologize for the reflection in the video. I forgot to take off some napkins on the dashboard after we had breakfast, so that's pretty much going to be throughout the whole video whenever you have footage from our dash cam. So sorry about that. So we finally got the dogs dropped off at Pet's Hotel without any issues, and started making our way up to Flagstaff after stopping and getting some breakfast. So I was kind of surprised traffic wasn't as bad, being 4th of July, so it wasn't too bad. Just north of Black Canyon City, we decided to stop at a rest stop called Sunset Point, and they have some really great views, so I decided to stop there and pull out the drone and take some videos. Then we left Sunset Point and made our way up to Flagstaff. No issues, no traffic or anything like that. It was really quite beautiful. One thing I really enjoy when I travel up to Flagstaff is going from the areas of desert and then you slowly go into the areas of forest with large pine trees, and then also it's really nice. The weather obviously is much cooler. So we finally made it to Flagstaff. We're staying at a Embassy Suites. There's Kelly. Show you around really quick. We've actually stayed in this room before. Bathroom. Nothing special. Our room for the night. We don't plan on staying in the room for too many hours during the day, but right now it is still a little hot, so we're gonna stay in here and then go out later on tonight for dinner. So, where do we go for dinner tonight?
I'm not sure. Maybe salsa brava, bun hugger, not sure.
Someplace different. So for dinner we decided to go to this place called Salsa Brava. Kelly saw this on a TV show.
Guys Grocery Games, but the owner was originally, I guess, on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives.
And what is he? Doesn't he like? Is this the one that donated something? Donates?
Well, I guess he has a child with special needs, and so he donates any of his winnings to the Special Olympics.
Right.
He just seems like a really nice guy from what I've seen on the show.
And it wasn't too bad. We split it. We split the peach and habanero burrito.
Carnitas burrito.
Carnitas burrito. So it wasn't too bad. So it was good food. And now we're going to go off and probably find something for dessert.
Maybe.
It's still surprisingly hot here. It's still like 89 degrees and it's like 6:45 in the afternoon. So, anyways, all right, later on. We stopped by the train station and I was able to get some videos of some trains coming down the track and just the general area. There's a lot of people out just walking around, going to dinner and stuff. kind of nice. It was a little bit cooler outside. So I'll leave you with some more footage of the train area, and the following day we went out further west from Flagstaff and I got some drone footage of some forest area. So it was very beautiful.